Hi guys, so in this video we're gonna add some notifications to the pickups, whether they are weapons pickups or armor and health pickups, and later on ammo pickups. We're gonna add the notification indicating when the player has picked up a pickup. So I'm gonna start by accessing the assault rifle pickup. First of all, I'm gonna create this widget, which is gonna appear on the screen. So in the UI folder, I'm gonna right click and create user interface widget blueprint. I'm gonna name it notification real quick, and then I'm gonna access it. Gonna just adjust the size of the engine window. So we're gonna just add a text to this widget blueprint. We're gonna set its alignment, of course, to 0.5. Depending on the nature of your project and what you want. Me personally, I set it to 0.5 for the alignment. It works for me. We're gonna set it to size to content, and then we're gonna anchor it to the bottom of the screen. Set the position to 0, the x position to 0, and the y position to -300. Sorry for that. That's it. So it should be there, appearing there. In the color and opacity, we're gonna set the default alpha value to 0, so it disappears. I'm gonna compile my widget blueprint. Then I'm gonna access the bottom and create an animation. First of all, I'm gonna rename this text block to message. Now I'm gonna compile again and create an animation which I'm gonna call notif. What should I call it? A good name. I'm searching for a good name. Notification appear. I'm gonna call it notification appear. This is the animation. We access it and we create a track for the message component, and we're gonna add a color and opacity track for this message, and then in the time 0 we're gonna add a keyframe alpha value of 0. We keep it as it is. For the time 0.25 seconds, we're gonna move it to 1. We're gonna keep it at 1 for 1.5 seconds. So here again, I'm gonna create a keyframe here, keeping the alpha as 1, and then at 1.25 seconds, we're gonna move it back to 0, creating the keyframe there. So the animation works as follows. First of all, the message is not visible, then it is visible, it keeps being visible for 1.5 seconds, and then it disappears again. And this is of course a blending between the two alpha value of 0 and 1. So we have our animation set up. Now what should we do? We access our graph and we create, in the variables section, we create a new variable which we're gonna name notif text, keeping it simple, and this is of type text. There it is. In the event construct of the widget, fired when the widget is created, we're gonna play the animation. So gonna drag the animation there, gonna simply play it, play animation, right there, and then we're gonna destroy the widget. So just we're gonna remove the widget from the screen, remove from parent. So now we remove the widget from the screen, compile again, and back to our designer panel. For the content of the text block, we're gonna simply bind it to a notification to the variable notif text, which we just created. We make sure that the notif text is instant editable, which means it is editable per instance of this notification class. So here I'm gonna check instance editable. We have the I indicating that next to the variable, and we should check expose on spawn, so that when we do create widget, we have this variable exposed in the create widget node to insert the text that we want for this notification. So expose on spawn, we compile. That's all we have to do for our notification widget. We have it set up. Now we should use it. We start by the armor pickup. Right there at the end of the workflow, at the end of the execution flow, we just create a create widget. Of course, we choose our player controller, get player controller for the player number 1, for the player index 0, which is us. It's a single player again, and then we wire to destroy actor, and we wire these two to the entry of this node. Of course, we make sure to just add it to parent to display it on the screen, add it to viewport, to display it on the screen. Gonna go back to the notification. Alright, back to the armor pickup, and we choose the class notification for the widget to create. We insert a text to display. We have an armor pickup, so just insert the text, the message, picked up armor, and that's it. We copy and paste to save on time, and we go to the health pickup in the same place. Ctrl V to paste. We link what we have to link right there, and we change our text to picked up health. That's it. And then we go to the assault rifle pickup and the shotgun pickup to do the same thing. So before destroying the assault rifle pickup, we display the widget, which is gonna self-destruct after playing its animation, its display animation. So here picked up assault rifle. And for the shotgun, picked up shotgun, it should be the message. There it is inserted, and then we modify it to picked up shotgun. That's it. Now we have our pickups, including a message display informing the player of what he did. So gonna save all and test. Save selected, of course, everything. I'm gonna test to see how this works. I have two weapons pickups, a health pickup, I think, the color, yes, and an armor pickup. We left the map like this the last time we worked. Play. So now I should get my shotgun, pick it up shotgun, and then I go to the assault rifle, pick it up assault rifle, going to the health pickup, because I have full health, so this is not gonna work. Not the health, it's the armor which I have full. The health I don't have it full, so I'm getting the message picked up health. Then for the armor, I think it's better from now on to have to keep the armor and the health of our character on 0.5 for better testing work. So the default values are gonna be from now on 0.5 for both armor and health. So the character starts with half armor and health while we test the development of this game. Back to the level. Now I have half armor. It's working for the armor too. Everything is alright. So guys, in this video we created our notification display, and in the next video we're gonna develop the blueprint so that when we pick up a weapon pickup, we're gonna switch directly to that weapon and do the necessary weapon state saving algorithm.